Mastering your speech with PowerPoint slides. Hello, English learners. Today we are going to tackle an essential part of public speaking, using PowerPoint slides as notes and prompts. Knowing how to effectively use this tool can dramatically enhance your presentation and help keep you on track. Let's dive in. PowerPoint is a presentation program developed by Microsoft. It allows you to create digital slides that can include text, images, graphs, and even videos. The beauty of PowerPoint slides is that they can act as visual aids to keep your audience engaged, while also serving as prompts or notes for you during your presentation. You might be wondering, how do I use PowerPoint slides as notes? Well, there are a few strategies. Minimal text. Avoid filling your slides with too much text. Use short bullet points, keywords or phrases that can remind you of the topic or point you're discussing. Presenter view. PowerPoint has a feature called Presenter View that allows you to see your notes on your screen, while the audience only sees the slides. This way, you can have detailed notes to guide you through the presentation. Images and graphics. Use images, charts, and graphs as a visual reminder of the topic you're covering. This can be especially helpful if you're discussing complex data or information. So why should you use PowerPoint slides? Here are a few reasons. Structure. Slides can provide a clear structure to your presentation. Each new slide can represent a new idea or topic, guiding both you and your audience through your speech. Engagement. Visual elements can capture the audience's attention better than words alone. This makes your presentation more engaging and memorable. Confidence. Having visual prompts can make you feel more confident as you present. You know you won't lose track of your points or forget something important. That's it for today. I hope you found this lesson on using PowerPoint slides in your presentations helpful. Remember, the key is to use them as a tool to guide your speech and engage your audience. Happy presenting, and see you in our next video.